here in Chisinau trying to find a place to do some plane spotting. Over there you can see the antenna of the airport of Chisinau. So we're gonna be trying to find the spot right now and try to shoot some planes here around these beautiful sunflower fields. So now we've got a little change of a scenery. Now on the left of us we can see some peach trees around here. Yeah, and on the right, well, still sunflowers. It's always sunflowers mostly. So the road got a little bit rougher here, but you know, you've gotta sacrifice some comfort to enjoy some aircraft. So according to my very precise calculations, in a couple of minutes, I should be at a spot. Finally, after a big road, I'm here and just have a look at this beautiful runway location here in Chisinau. There you can see some other older Soviet aircraft being kind of destroyed and just that stuff. And far there you might be able to see the new terminal of the airport. But the most important thing that we're here for is this runway that's gonna be obviously the place of the whole action. Hope you guys enjoy. So that's the closer view of the runway. We have the 4 PAPI lights, of course. We've got some other lights around the place to better navigate around the runway. And I also just seen some trucks pass along the runway, and there's one actually still there if you can see it near the touchdown zone. Most probably they're just checking up the runway if it's clear from any pieces that could damage other aircraft, and it should be good to house a landing pretty soon.
Ridică așa de l-am ține așa sus. Am domnul. Nu, numai una, mă, așa. Stai. Stai așa. Să stai așa, bine? Până mama îți spune.
Chisinau, da?